Good morning! Waiting kami sa aming sundo for our tour B for today. Yan. Kaya, samahan niyo kami. Tara! Andito tayo ngayon sa Cathedral Cave. Ayun. Sumakses sa Dugnon Cave. We're now here at Snake Island. We're here now at Entalula Island. Yun. Entalula. Haggardus na. Pero masaya. Sobrang saya. Tour B for today. It's our 4th day. Excited much. Ayun, ito yung port. See you later. Papunta na kami sa boat. Tour B. It's raining.
Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Clifford. Yes. What's my name?
Clifford.
Say hi, Clifford.
Hi, Clifford.
Hello, everyone. And of course, we have Aquaman on board at the same time. Our Aquaman in Wendell.
Hi, Wendell.
Sir Wendell is still busy. Huh?
Hello.
Alright. And of course, we have a professional boat captain, Sir Aris. Three of us together with this whole day tour, everyone, okay? And we make, I hope, we make enjoyable your tour.
Yeah.
Even it's raining.
Yes. The rain will stop later.
Yes, I hope so. And of course, welcome aboard this boat, William Jeremy, okay? There's a lot of boats. Same size, same color, but different name, okay?
Jeremy.
Yes, William Jeremy.
William Jeremy.
And of course, everyone, on this boat we have buffet lunch, right? But our server lunch not 12 o'clock, not 12:30, but 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Is that okay?
No.
Today we are going in Tour C today.
Tour B.
Tour B, okay.
You're a joker, ah, Clifford.
Alright, so Tour B, everyone, is composed of 5 destinations, okay? So the first one is the Cathedral Cave. The next is Robin Spot. And third is the Dugnon Cave. Fourth is the Snake Island. And the last one is the Entalula.
Okay.
So everyone in every destination we have 35 minutes to stay.
Okay.
In our lunch area. We stay one hour. Yes. Alright, so here in Eden Lido, everyone, we have a fragile environment. That's why we have a rules and regulation we need to follow. Yes. The first is the golden rules. Safety first, everyone. Okay?
Yes.
Alright, so if you don't know how to swim, please don't swim.
Don't go to the water.
So, everyone, please wear your life vest because this life vest can help you floating at the surface. Okay. And of course, for your personal belongings, if you are planning to bring your personal belongings on the beach, please don't leave unattended, okay? Because everyone, Leatherback Company is not liable about the damages and losing of the things. Is that okay?
Yep.
Yes, it's much more safe here on the boat, everyone. Okay? And of course, for your garbage, please don't throw your garbage into the water.
Mm-hmm.
And during surfing time, please don't step on the corals, okay? And don't touch any kind of marine life because some things dangerous and poisonous, like shellfish, jellyfish, stingray, and sea urchin as well. It's very venomous. Alright? So everyone, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tour and God bless our trip.
God bless.
So if our boat's still navigating, everyone, please make conversation to each other, make friends, no fighting.
Thank you. Palawan is known as the Philippines' last ecological frontier, and El Nido is a municipality at the northern tip of Palawan. El Nido's name origin, meaning the nest, in Spanish, gets its name from the edible nest of swiftlets found in the area's caves. This popular tourist destination is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, majestic limestone rock formations, and lush landscapes. It offers a variety of attractions and destinations like island hopping tours, snorkeling, scuba diving, and kayaking, among others. It also boasts vibrant coral reefs, secret awesome beaches, beautiful hidden lagoons, rich marine life, and historical caves. They also prioritize eco-friendly practices to protect its environment. El Nido is a very warm and welcoming community which we experience firsthand. Mababait, courteous, and very accommodating ang mga locals regardless if you're Pinoy or foreigner, which is a very positive travel experience. Definitely, babalikan ko ang El Nido. Cathedral Cave. Snorkeling area. Andito tayo ngayon sa Cathedral Cave. Ayun. Yun. Ayan. Thank you, Lord, umaraw. Ayan. Yun. Ganda. Ganda dito. Sobrang ganda. World class. It's raining again. Wow. Lakas ng ulan. Umulan na naman. Almost zero visibility. Yan. Yan. Sobrang lakas. Ulan. Ay, pinaw. Kudugnon Cave. Kudugnon Cave. Yan, papasok doon. Inside Kudugnon Cave. Ayun. Doon galing. Okay.
This cave is called the Kudugnon Cave. Yeah. Kudugnon Cave. Kudugnon. Yeah. It's called Kudugnon. It means it's shaking. Shaking? Yes, shaking. Kudug. With the right, look a little bit more muddy. Yeah. It's fine. Huh? 100 years ago, this cave, the indigenous people lives on the town. They use this for a burial place.
Oh.
Yes.
Where did they put the torches?
There.
And they empty?
Oh, yes. They the tourism clear all this the skulls and skeleton.
You're kissing me?
No. Pwede po kayong tumalon, pwede rin hindi. Pwede po kayong tumalon sa side na to. Pwede po kayong tumalon sa side na yan. Yan. Yan sila, papasok din yan sila guys. Ay, palabas din sila. Si ma'am nandito na. Nakalabas na rin.
Yes. Sumakses na.
Alright.
Sumakses sa Kudugnon Cave. Doon tayo pumasok. Kudugnon Cave. Ayan, medyo nagliwanag na ang kalangitan. We're now here at Snake Island. 4th destination. Yan. Nakalubog yung sandbar. Dito na rin magla-lunch. Doon sa boat. Yan. Ayun na yung sandbar. Ayan. We just had our lunch. Ang masarap na lunch. Courtesy of Leatherback. Super busog. So, nandito pa rin tayo sa Snake Island. Yan. Akyat daw kami mamaya para may konting hiking. Para makita talaga itong sandbar. Yan, kasi medyo high tide, di masyadong kita yung sandbar. Pero doon daw sa taas, later. See ya! Ganda.
May kasama.
Umuulan na naman. Rain, rain, go away. It's raining again here in Snake Island. Galing lang kami doon sa taas. Nag-hiking kami para makita yung full view of the Snake Island. Sobrang ganda. And thanks to Clifford. Shout out Clifford sa magagandang photos. Yan. The best sa pagkuha ng picture si Clifford. Para sa mga titas of Manila. Rain, rain, go away. Cross tayo doon sa kabila. It's raining again. nagba-volleyball doon sa area na yon. Malabo, pero nakalagay reserved for private function. We're here now at Entalula Island. Yun. Entalula. Haggardus na. Pero masaya. Sobrang saya. Amazing ang Entalula Island. Muulan na naman. Swimming dito sa Entalula Island. Ay, tumuulan. Yan, nag-alisa na yung mga boats. Amazing. Our island hopping tours A and B are both equally memorable. Each island destination has its own breathtaking and enchanting beauties, while Tour B has its own challenges because of the heavy pouring rain on every boat ride. We're very blessed and very thankful to the Lord that the skies miraculously cleared the moment we reached each destination. Nature and God is on our side, giving us perfect pockets of sunshine to explore each paradise. It's raining.